In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your voice in ElevenLabs quickly and easily. Whether you're a content creator looking to bring a unique flair to your projects, or just someone who enjoys experimenting with voice technology, you'll find this tutorial straightforward and rewarding. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Speech tab within the ElevenLabs platform. This is the main area where you have a variety of tools at your disposal to tweak and transform your voice. Once you're in the Speech tab, direct your attention to the Voice drop-down menu. This is your gateway to a wealth of vocal options. Clicking on the Voice drop-down will present you with a list of available voices. These include not only those you've personally crafted or edited, but also an assortment of default options provided by ElevenLabs. Maybe you're looking for something professional and clean, or perhaps something more adventurous and distinctive. Whatever your preference, take your time to explore the voices available. Each voice comes with its own set of unique characteristics, such as different accents, tones, and styles. So it's worth experimenting to find the one that best suits your needs. After selecting your desired voice, it's time to feed the system the content you want to be transformed. Go ahead and paste your text directly into the provided text box within the interface. This allows the system to process and apply the voice you've selected to your words. Ensuring your text is ready to go, free of errors, and reading smoothly, will help the voice generation sound as natural and fluid as possible. Finally, with your text in place and your voice selected, you're ready for the magic moment. Simply click on the Generate button. This action sets the system in motion, applying sophisticated algorithms to deliver an audio output that reflects your selected voice. Depending on the length of your text, this process can take a little time, but the results are worth the wait. You'll end up with a high-quality, engaging audio piece that truly brings your words to life. For optimal results, you might want to tweak your settings or experiment with more voices as you become familiar with the platform. Trying out different combinations might unlock an unexpected perfect fit for your needs. The platform is quite intuitive, but don't hesitate to reach out to community forums if you run into any questions along the way. And there you have it. A simple yet powerful way to change and customize your voice using ElevenLabs. With just a few clicks, you can transform ordinary text into an engaging auditory experience. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I look forward to seeing how you use this tool to enhance your projects. Feel free to leave any thoughts or questions in the comments below. Happy voice transforming!